We can make it just a color, right, in the background only. If you are making a new sprite for that, like it is not necessary, but if you wish to make a new sprite, then it's fine. You can simply make a color for that, right, in your um, background, backdrop, I mean, and that would be the deciding factor.
Yes, but the finish line is also black.
Okay, you can continue. You can make a sprite then. Let's try to finish this by today, okay? After this, we'll have 2, 3 more games. So let's try to finish this.
But if I finish 3 games a day, then that would be nice.
Okay, but we don't need to do that. Let's finish this one first. Then we can move on to the different games.
Yay!
Okay, so it fits, right? Next, you can move on to the new game.
You mean use Sprite, right?
No, yeah. News, no, not new sprite. I mean, finish the game, then we will move on to a new one. This one, you are done with the that back border thing, right? The black border thing. So you can yeah, complete this one quickly because the rest of the code is already written, right? We don't have to write much stuff here. Like we just have to check that if it is going outside the black border. If yes, then we will make it return to the track and we'll be making laps. We will be seeing if the laps are working and the booster also. It's 52 135. Your positions, initial position 52 135. But like they are after the finishing line, right? So if that's the thing, then it's fine. You can, okay, instead of duplicating the whole thing, you can simply take a go to block, right? And use it there, right? In your sprite one condition. You can simply take up a go to, like,
Wait, it's not selected.
yeah, because you haven't used forever, right?
Oh,
You have to keep on checking it forever, right? And only then it will work for throughout the game, right?
but um, um,
Now it's stopped. So you have to change that go to position, right? That go to position, you have to change it. Like bring them back to the track, the cars, and see at which position they are. Their go to position is incorrect at this point. Take them to the starting point manually, drag them to the starting point. Stop the game first. Stop the game first. Drag them manually to the starting point and then change the go to. Stop the game first. Stop the game. Like you won't understand what's happening. Now you can drag the cars to the position, right, where they are going to start at the beginning.
well,
First
yeah.
drag them. First drag the cars to the position, and then see what is your x and y. So if this is the position, okay, it's still touching the black border, right? That Mario Kart is touching the black border, so it should not touch the black border. Keep them a little bit inside. More, it's still touching. Mario Kart is still touching the black border. They should not touch the black border at all. Yeah, this is fine. This is not the finishing line also. It shouldn't touch anything at the beginning, not the finishing line and not the black border. Then check what X and Y you are getting, right?
That's perfect.
Okay, so X and Y is 51 and 70. So this will be your go-to in both the cases when you are touching the black border and when you are beginning the game. Both of the cases, this will be your go-to, right? Here also it will be 51 and 70. You can simply edit it. You can simply edit it, right? You are just removing it and then using a new one. You can simply edit that thing.
Fresh one's
Okay,
always the best.
okay. And now you can check if it is working. It shouldn't touch the black border now. Okay, see, it's working. You have to turn it. Okay, working
What?
fine.
Well, Bowser won.
Yeah, because Bowser completed 3 laps. Because your Bowser is starting from the finish line. You have to change that go to in your Bowser also, right?
Yep, the
Oh, your Bowser you
go-tos.
have changed. Your Mario you haven't changed. You have to change for both of them, right? Go to you have to change for both of them. If you change both of them, keep them at the starting point, then it will be fine.
Wait,
Okay,
what?
okay. This approach is a little bit weird, right, Rishabh? You can simply edit it, right? You can click on that 36 and 102 and click on edit. You can simply edit it, right? You are breaking up the whole thing. You don't have to do that. Just double click on that 36 and 102 and then you can edit it. You don't have to break up the whole thing. Yeah, just simply you don't have to remove that thing. Like you can simply double click on edit it, right? Keep them at the positions and use the go to for both of the checking conditions for the beginning of the game and that one, that border one, sprite one. Yeah, 51 and 70, right? Both. This will be, yeah, this will be 70. So this will be for both sprite one and the beginning of the game.
Bowser broke through.
Yeah, browser went away because you have done something. Oh, you haven't used forever. You haven't used forever here. In your browser code, you have to use
The,
forever, right? For
yes,
sprite one.
but the
Right now, stop the game and restart. Check if it is working. Stop the game first. Yeah, working for both, right? You have to move Bowser. You can move Mario, and Bowser is not winning yet. Yeah, but Mario, see, the Mario winning condition is not
yes,
working.
it's
Bowser's
just
winning condition was
starting with
working.
two. It's starting with two and ending
Okay,
with
yeah,
and
let's go to that
ending at
Mario
one.
code. Let's go to your Mario code then and see what's going on.
Let's go. Oh no, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, so where's the updating point? Okay, yeah, three that thing. Yeah, and if it is touching the finish line, okay, go a little bit below, go below that scroll down a little bit. Yeah, so there's the green flag for the updating part, right? You are waiting for 3 seconds. We can do one thing instead of waiting for 3 seconds, we can wait for maybe let's say just 1 second maybe. Let's see what happens in that case. Instead of waiting for 3 seconds, can we wait for 1 second? Maybe waiting for 3 seconds is actually increasing that.
Okay, let's go. me cheating. Oh no.
And starting with 2,
It
right?
worked. I think it worked.
No, it didn't
1,
work.
2,
Okay.
3. Wins. He wins.
Okay, and where are you setting that initial thing for that score for Mario Labs? Go to Mario Code once.
Wait, I'm naming this thing first. Nice. Mario Labs. How did Mario and Bowser break through the infinite
Because
loop?
you have renamed it to ring, right? You have to rename that in your code also. In your code, you are mentioning sprite 1. Go to that code where you are checking that thing. That what did you do here? Yeah, keep it inside it. No, 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 it didn't work. Yeah, here you have to. Okay, it says touching ring, right? Okay.
Yes.
Do you now check for Bowser if both of them are saying ring. Oh, you haven't put any condition here. You have to put the condition. So you have one on the left and another on the right. That multiple ring condition. You have one already on the left. Remove this thing. Keep one. Keep one of the code blocks. You have multiple code blocks for Bowser. You have that on the left, Rishabh. You already have
This?
that thing on. No, on the very left. More left. Look at the top left. See, you have this already. Yeah, you have to delete this one. The whole thing. Okay, now check if it is working well. Okay, working, right?
Correct. And now let's test both of their victories.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Mario wins just by the tires?
The answers by the tires. Okay. So Bowser 1, 2, and 3.
Uh-oh. Wait.
Bowser should have won, right?
Bowser was first 3. What?
Yeah, you can check it. What happened? If Bowser is touching 3, then a Bowser should have won, but Bowser didn't won. So you can check what's going on. For Bowser, can you decrease that time after touching the finish line? Can you change that to 1 second? That wait 3 seconds for Bowser.
Where is
You
it
would
at?
have that at the top. At the top.
I think there's something up there.
Yeah, there's the green flag thing. There's the green flag thing there.
Nice. Another. Yay.
Yeah, you are missing a green flag in this one. This mushroom booster one. You
Oh,
have to add a green flag. Yeah, add a green flag. And did you change that to 1 second?
which one?
You have
Oh, this?
no, this not this one. The finishing line. The condition for the finishing line. You have that change lapse to 1, right? No, not this one. Yeah, that wait time. You can change that to 1 second. Now check if Bowser is winning. Okay, yeah, Bowser won, right? Check if Mario is winning.
Okay. This
Bowser
is
is
bad.
going back. So you have to check that also. Why is Bowser going back?
Oh,
Bowser
he
should not
starts
go
at a
back.
bad angle.
Yeah.
He starts at a bad angle. That's the problem. Let's just test both of their labs together. Yep, Mario wins. Works.
Right. And can you check the booster if it is working?
Yep, let's test. Bowser appears to be way faster than Mario. Bowser won somehow.
Yeah, because Bowser is close to the finishing line, right? He is touching the finishing line. That is why he is winning.
Oh,
You have to move him away from the finishing line, or maybe decrease the finishing line a bit. Yeah, move Bowser away from the
why is
finishing
it
line.
touching
Otherwise,
it?
you,
His tires, I think.
yeah. The tires are touching. That's why he is winning every time. You can move
Oh,
Bowser a little bit from the finish line and see if Mario is winning. And the booster, I think, is working well.
15. That'll work.
Okay, let's see if Mario is winning now.
Bowser isn't touching it anymore.
No, Bowser is not touching it. So let's see Mario is winning with the booster maybe, or maybe like after completing a lap.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Uh-oh. What happened to Bowser?
Yeah, you have changed the direction here, right? Yeah, don't turn that off. Like that direction changing thing, don't turn that off. No, not that one, not that one. Yeah. No, not even that one. Just keep the thing open. It is for the flipping thing. Go to direction for Bowser. Yeah, keep the rotation on. Keep the rotation on. Only for the flipping and rotation. These are three things, symbols, right? One is for a rotation, one is for flipping, and one is for just a movement. Like it will not turn or do anything. See, now Mario can win, or maybe Bowser can win. Anyone can win this time,
Wait a
right?
second.
And
Let
they
me
are not
press
going,
Bowser laps. Oh, it's got the correct amount. Okay, I must.
and they are not going to leave the track also, right? So this thing's so done. Like every galaxy looks like this, right?
Yes, there are galaxies like clouds, galaxies spiral, and that's all I think. All the galaxies.
Yes, all the galaxies look like that. Okay, we are done with the background. You can add the game
Nope,
over.
we're not done. We're not
Yeah.
done. And guess what I'm going to write? Actually,
What?
game over.
Okay, I thought you were going to write something else, like mission failed, something like that.
Well, you just give me an idea.
Yeah, you can write that, right? Mission failed, right? Okay.
Is this?
Okay. So we'll be starting with what? We'll be starting with the rocket ship, maybe.
Um,
Yeah, you already have rocket ships. If you wish to create something of your own, then you can use that also. No, no, NASA won't give you like you should write rocket ship, right? NASA won't give you the rocket ship image. You can write rocket ship, anything. Yeah, now you'll get a picture. This thing will have a background, right? If you wish to keep this thing, it will have a background. That black thing, it will have a background. So you'll have to edit a lot. Okay, you have to erase that all the black background around it. Okay, you'll have to erase the floor. Yeah, go to costumes and then start erasing. Okay, doesn't look bad. Looks real nice. You can keep it like that. The only thing is the background thing is like, yeah, it's bugging a little bit, right? You should use an image that doesn't have any background. Like in your Mario, it had white background, which was like a lot less. But the black thing is a lot like it's eye catching, right? So we can just simply use something else.
The rocket isn't big enough to fall away.
Yeah, like it is not showing the rocket. It's showing the like the fuel burning, right? Not the rocket exactly. You can use
Yes.
anything, any image. Like you can search for the image. You can use any one. You can write rocket image cartoon maybe. You can write
This one
sprite.
again? This one again?
Yeah,
Did
you're
I
going
like?
to get.
I think this one looks pretty nice.
Yeah, but still, there's a lot of stuff you have to edit.
Not too many. No, I'm not thinking. It's why, oh, man. I just made it like audio call, but
Okay,
still
but
doesn't
it's
work.
still looking. Yeah, no, it doesn't look that great. Right? You can try for an image that doesn't have a background, right?
Maybe this will work.
Yeah, but you already used this one, right? Yeah, your screen's frozen a little bit, maybe.
Oh, my screen's frozen.
Okay, okay. No, you can write it, right? Like you're seeing the same image, right? Like not a new one, right?
Oh,
Okay.
that's frozen. That's a background. This is
Yeah,
simple.
yeah. This is simple. This won't have a background. You don't have to like delete anything, edit anything. This will be just as you wish to keep it. See, nothing, no background, nothing. Looks good also. You don't have to remove. Okay, you can keep that, right? That smoke thing, you can keep it, not an issue.
It won't do. I'm not erasing all the smoke.
Okay. And then we can start with the, if you wish to add the rocks and the like the blast thing, you can add them also. And then we can proceed with your movement of the rocket and the rocks.
I think I have an idea of what asteroid Chicxulub, the one that destroyed the dinosaurs.
Okay.
I think we might even see a meteor go across screen.
Okay. You can try that thing.
There it is. Mexico crater.
It is like the name of the place, I think, where the crater, like where the asteroid fell, is name of the place, I think, of the crater. You have to write the meteor, right? You have to write, yeah, asteroid image, asteroid meteor. Maybe then you can get it.
Oh, yeah.
You can write no background. Maybe that will give you something. You can try anything. Like searching here, you can try anything. You can use anything of your choice, right? We are concerned with the mechanics. Like a Mario Kart game looks wonderful, right? Like if someone else plays the game, it looks wonderful.
No.
Oh,
Oh my.
what do you want? Anything?
Nothing. Nothing.
Let's see how you write back.
Yeah, there are a lot of images, right? With like only the asteroid thingy, so you can use anyone.
Which one? So. Okay.
Okay, asteroid. Okay, isolated. Nice. It's like a nice search. Yeah, but yeah, like you will find the same kind of images, right? Like, you have to go for any one of them.
No, not.
You can save the image, right? It says save images. Yeah, you can save the image.
So. Wait. Oh,
What?
what a short video.
Well,
Okay, no, yeah, a new sprite, right? Okay.
she.
It's understood you. It's not.
This is home, not desktop.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, you can use that one. Like it's a white thing, right? You can decrease the size of the rocket first. It's 100, right? You can like decrease it to 50 or 60.
There's some stuff close to the rocket following it.
The background.
Yeah. Okay, if there's that thing, there's a watermark, right? Yeah, you can go to the costumes. You can go to the costumes. It won't be recognizable, but still, if you wish like to remove that, you can go to costumes and simply like run your eraser over the background. Yeah. The same way you are erasing this thing around the rock. For the rocket also, you can run your eraser, and that watermark will also go away.
Not worry.
Good.
Does arrow rhyme with arrow?
Hmm?
No, really, actually, does it rhyme with arrow? Um, this is all good, but I want to add something around.
You want to write something on it?
Not right.
Okay.
Not too big.
Okay,
Perfect.
and then oh, you are drawing the flames. Okay, nice. You can draw the flames then. Decrease the size of the rock a little bit. Like it's a huge thing at this point. Like in comparison to the rocket, it should be like less than the rocket, right? The size should be less than the rocket. Both of them are at the same size and now. Yeah, looks nice.
When you look here, it actually looks like real fire.
Yeah. Okay, you can decrease the size of it a little bit. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, now you can keep that thing, that orange flame around it. Like it actually looks good. And then you can decrease the size. It will look much better. If you decrease the size like from 50, 30 to 40, it will look better.
What size do you want?
30 to 40.
30 to 40, anything less than the rocket ship, right? That would make it look much better. Okay, the rocket is at 50, right? Okay, this is fine. Now the last thing that is okay for the rocket, you can act like delete the background. Maybe like if you're that's bugging you, like the background thing will be there when you are like
The rocket
touching.
has the background.
It has a watermark.
There's this the
Watermark?
water. Yes, there's a watermark of that image. You can delete that thing. Like
Okay,
run your eraser around that, and that watermark will go away. Like
I
it's
think
not.
I know.
showing-
Yep, there is list.
It doesn't show, right? Can you click on the sprite once? Click on the sprite once.
It's really.
Okay, if you're not seeing it, click on the sprite once. Let's see how much the sprite is on your game area. You can click on the sprite once.
I'm pretty sure that might be actually all.
I'm clicking the sprite once.
But how?
Yeah, you can like rename in the thing, and let's see how much it is covering your game area. Right, you can click on sprite now. Let's see if the thing's gone, that background thing. You click on sprite. No, not here, not here. Below when you are seeing it. Okay, so this much is there, right? See this box around the rocket.
Yes.
This much will be considered as your rocket thing, right? Like when you are shooting from the rocket, this much thing will be considered as the rocket. Although not necessary, because you'll be keeping the line right at the bottom. If the rocks touches the line, then we are going to end the game. So the background thing is not that much important. You can just keep it as it is. right? So let's you can add the missile, right? That ball thingy that was going from the rocket towards the rock. You can add that now, and then you can start with the movement of the rocket. Yeah, you can hit this at the very bottom, right? And for the rocket, it's like not an issue if you can keep the background as it is, and the rock looks fine. You can keep it as it is. Yes, you can decrease that, not too much, maybe 70, 80. No, that will be, yeah, that would be too less. 70, 80 is fine. Like if you decrease it too less, then it will go below. If you are decreasing it, then it's better. Like 150 is a little bit too much, but still not an issue. Okay, so you can start with the movement of your rocket, right? How you are going to move the rocket, when you're where your rocket is going to begin the game. Then like you have to set the initial position of the rocket. Then you have to move the rocket. So how we are moving the rocket? Okay, what are the controls of the rocket? There is the movement and there is the shooting part. You have to focus on two things. So how am I moving my rocket? So I was moving it from the left to the right at the bottom of the screen. There was no upwards movement, right? No diagonal movement or anything. So we have to focus on that kind of movement, right? Just left and right movement, and also the shooting part. How we are going to shoot, we can do that later because that involves your broadcast thing and cloning thing. We can work on the movement of rocket first, and you can start with the rocks, like how your rock is going to appear from the top of the screen and go down. These two things we already know, right? How to control movement of the rocket and how to control movement of the rocks. The rocket will be controlled by the player, that is voluntary action, and the rocks will be controlled by, not controlled by the player, that will be involuntary action, right? The two things we are going to focus on. Let's see, let's start with the movement. The rocket will be staying on the red line, right? And it will not be moving going upwards, and it will be just moving from left to right, right, covering up the whole screen. So we need left and right movement for the rocket.
Wait a second.
Yeah, I get it. You're going to add an image of Earth, right?
How do you know?
Because you're writing E, right? And for renaming the line to E, right? So yeah, it means you're going to add an image of the Earth. If the rock falls to Earth, then your mission is failed. Okay, you can do that thing, not an issue. Like you can do it both the ways. You can add a sprite, check if the rocks are touching your sprite, and you can add the line and check if the rocks are touching the color, or maybe the line sprite, anything. That's not an issue. You'll be deleting most of the image. I mean, you'll be removing most of the image over here for this sprite, right? Just keep the horizon part. Right. So you have to increase the size. You can delete most of the image, right? You can keep only the Earth's horizon part, right? Where the Earth is visible. And most of the other things you can delete and then keep it at the very bottom. You can go to your costumes for this one. Yeah. You can delete it and keep only the horizon part, right? You can decrease the size of your eraser if you like. When you're going on the border cases, decrease the size of your eraser. It's at 100 right now. You can decrease it to maybe 50, 60, then continue. Okay, you can keep a little bit of black above the earth part. That's not an issue. You can keep a little bit. Okay, and same at the bottom maybe. And if you don't wish to remove the bottom part, then you can increase the size of it. Yeah, you can increase the size and then drag it below the screen. No, not that much, not that much. Yeah, you can increase it up to like maybe 200 maybe. 200 is fine enough. You can keep it 200 and drag it a little bit more towards the bottom, right? Yeah, drag it a little bit more. Yes, towards the bottom a little bit more because you need some play area, right? So you can, yeah, this is fine. This is fine. Okay, looks cool, looks great. Now you can start. Okay, not that much. Yeah, keep it like from corner to corner, like left bottom corner to right bottom corner. And now you can start with the movement of your rocket. So your rocket will be moving from left to right. We are already out of time, so you can start with it. We'll continue with this in our next class. Let's you can start. Let's see how you're doing, and we'll can continue with this thing for the for your next class, right? Yeah. Okay. Control. Okay. Okay. Great. Okay. Nice. Right. So you have already like got a lot of hands-on experience, right? like you have spent a lot of time with this thing, so you are now very much comfortable with working in Scratch. Okay, nice.
I also
Okay,
started Scratch at school actually.
okay, that's cool. What are they teaching you at school? What is the thing they're teaching?
Well, next week we start making games or whatever.
Okay. Okay, nice. That will be good, right? You can show them your own games, your teachers. That see, I have already made this game by myself. Right? Don't mention that you have taken like a little bit of help from me. Just say that I have made this by myself. Okay.
Actually,
So,
Mauritius is just beginning, like doing coding, robotics,
yeah,
and all that. So,
it's nice that he's already well acquainted with the sprite thing, so he will
yes,
be like already performing well in the class.
yeah, but they are doing only basic things. Like you told me, it's only an introduction that they did yesterday. I think,
Yeah.
yeah. So I don't know exactly what's the syllabus, but next week maybe I will know.
Okay.
It's very new here in Mauritius, doing all these things.
Yes. Okay, so you're adding sound and for your movement. So you're going to have sound whenever your rocket is moving. Okay, let's see how you
Yes,
are building. Okay, let's see the movement then. How your rocket is moving.
not at all.
It's not moving. So what is going on? Yes, you haven't added any motion, right? You have to add the motion part. And for right also, you can add both of them, then check. For the right motion, you can also add. What will be the difference between these two? Nice. Okay, now you can check the motion. Okay. I'm not hearing any sound. Like you have added sound, so you haven't like shared the sound. Maybe that's why I can't hear it. Okay, we can check that later. So it's moving, right? You can move the rocket smoothly from one end to the other end.
It's a bit too slow.
Slow? It shouldn't be slow. Like I was using 10 only, so 10 shouldn't be slow. Okay, maybe it's slow because you're using the music, right? You're using the music until done. That's why it is slowing it down a bit because the music is like how long? The music has some time, right? So when you're using music,